A Dubai-bound Spicejet flight made an emergency landing at Karachi airport in Pakistan on Tuesday. All passengers were safely disembarked as they discovered a technical glitch. Spicejet B737 aircraft operating flight SG-11, Delhi-Dubai, was diverted to Karachi due to an indicator light malfunctioning. The aircraft landed safely in Karachi and passengers were safely disembarked, said the Spicejet spokesperson. The spokesperson further stated that no emergency was declared and the aircraft made a normal landing at the Karachi airport. This is the third incident within a month when a Spicejet flight has faced technical issues.